Start it to the east, start it to the west. Back in my day, we didn't have computers.
Everything around here is fucking magnets.
Just make sure you get rid of the drippings. Yeah, get it out.
He's all about the dry jacket.
No wonder your balls is hurting.
Keep going. Keep going.
Just a swinging.
No, we could have done this way, Shady. Yep. Yes, sir. Damn. Straight enough. I hope we had a 1/4 inch to spare.
Yes. Yes, we did. As a matter of fact. Don't use the vices sitting right there beside you.
That'd be too easy. Just trying to make it more relatable for people without vices.
Ah, okay. Yeah. For me, you have to.
I don't know what that's made of, but it don't smell good. Perfectly straight. Let me get in here.
Well, yeah. Ain't gonna be no fun if you don't. I mean, we don't need it, but it'll be fun.
Okay.
Careful that floor.
Yeah, I know. To get in, I just step on the transmission. I think I've made a critical mistake buying a small truck. Look at this. What's over here? Okay. So it literally needs to be butted up right there to where it's at.
You sure?
I mean, I guess I could.
No, I mean, like, get it where it's comfortable. What I was worried about buttoning it up right there is if you're gonna be able to get in and out of it. Think so?
Yeah, that'd be the. Well, yeah, I guess if we made it a little bit closer.
Alright, so.
Do it every fucking time.
Too short.
It just keeps coming up short.
Blow the whistle.
Fucking with too short. Itch.
Alright, cut her good and straight right there. Or however you want to do it.
Right. Straightish.
Straight.
Pulling it off on the ground or what?
Which that's a little long. About 2 inches too long. We can shorten that shaft before we drill it.
Ow. It's like driving Datsun
Is
for
it?
the 620. Steering wheel all up in my shit.
So it's perfect.
I was about to say, no nut required for that steering wheel.
No,
Quick release.
It's got, yeah, it's a racing wheel.
2 more. 2 more inches. Yeah, clear that coupling. 2 more inches. Story of my life. And you're worried about a collapsible steering shaft. If I weld on it, it will be collapsible.
Detachable and all.
Yeah, it'll come straight apart. Oh shit, boy. Alright, so I've lost the bracket that holds this on, and it's right now zip tied, and though I love zip ties, I don't think that's going to be strong enough to hold it. So I got an exhaust U-bolt. I would just use what originally it used, but I lost it, so it is what it is, and this is a little bit more girthy anyways than what was in there. So what I like to do is hit the tips of these with a little bit of paint, and then now I've transferred the paint to the bottom, and I know where to drip. Not exactly necessary, but makes it a little bit easier. Well, I didn't get them long enough. It sounded like a good idea, but yeah, we just won't use that. This will be fine. I gotta put this bolt back in, but she boy. I got secured down here. I think I'm just gonna weld the tube straight to the firewall. And then when that doesn't work, I'll figure something else out. But until then, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm likely gonna weld that off camera. My brother's been sick last couple weeks, so kind of behind schedule, but here's some of the brake parts. Master cylinder off a 1981 280ZX. It has a 15/16 bore, largest bore you can get for this certain bolt pattern. This booster is a really small booster. We had to get one. This is from a 74 maybe Datsun 610, 5.5 inch booster. Well, inner diameter. I guess it actually measures at about, oh, it's under 5 inches actually. So, well, it's right about 6 inches total, a little under. Finding this adapter was a little hard. This is actually from a Z car, early Z car. Doesn't exactly fit, but I'll drill it out and make it fit. This is the only one I could find. Not a lot of space for the original booster, which is 11 inches. So that's what we're gonna go with. Also got some AC delete parts here. This is a Mustang SN95 alternator pulley and a different belt, so I can delete the AC. Also had to buy these. They were like 40 bucks for the pair, which is crazy to me. So this is next video. I'm gonna do the brakes, hopefully. Or we might do wiring next, but either way, I already have the brake situation figured out. Probably do some wiring on the next video actually, instead of the brakes, just so we can get that first start in. But otherwise, we'll see you next time.